Hello guys, today I'll be telling you how to make a colorful circle in Scratch 2. So let's get started. First, we're gonna put our when green flag clicked block from the events group. Then we're gonna put our go to x0, y0, point in direction and clear from pen group. Then we're gonna put pen down and we're gonna put repeat 360 times. Then we're gonna put move one step and turn 1 degree. In order to make this circle colorful, we're gonna put our set pen size to 10 and change pen color by 1. After that, we're gonna execute our script. That a colorful circle has been formed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.